The human mind is a realm of boundless wonder, a canvas where dreams take shape and possibilities become reality. It's a place where the impossible dances with the tangible, where ideas blossom into creations that leave a mark on the world. At the heart of this extraordinary power lies imagination, the spark that ignites innovation, the force that shapes our lives, and the key to unlocking a future filled with unlimited potential. In this exploration, we'll start on a journey to uncover the secrets of imagination. We'll look into its science, its profound influence on our reality, and the practical steps you can take to harness its transformative power. Prepare to discover a hidden truth that has the potential to reshape your world from within. Let's begin by unraveling the science behind this remarkable faculty. Your brain, a complex network of billions of interconnected neurons, is a masterpiece of intricate design. With every thought, every idea, and every vision, these neurons fire in a symphony of electrical impulses, creating a mental landscape that reflects the world you perceive and the world you desire. When you engage your imagination, you activate these neural pathways, creating a virtual reality within your mind. It's like a dress rehearsal for life, where you can test out scenarios, explore possibilities, and envision outcomes before they manifest in the physical world. This mental rehearsal isn't just a frivolous activity. It has a profound impact on your thoughts, emotions, and actions. As you visualize a desired outcome, your brain responds by releasing neurotransmitters like dopamine, which flood your system with feelings of pleasure and motivation. This surge of positive energy propels you towards taking action, transforming your imagination into a tangible reality. The more you engage in this process, the stronger these neural connections become, reinforcing the pathways that lead to success. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, demonstrates the incredible adaptability of your brain. It shows that your mind is not fixed or static, but rather a dynamic entity that can be molded and shaped by your thoughts and experiences. Through the power of imagination, you can quite literally rewire your brain, creating new neural pathways that align with your goals and aspirations. This is why athletes, musicians, and performers often rely on visualization techniques to enhance their abilities. By vividly imagining themselves executing a perfect move, playing a flawless melody, or delivering a captivating performance, they prime their minds and bodies for success. Scientific studies have confirmed the effectiveness of this approach, showing that mental rehearsal can be just as impactful as physical practice in achieving desired outcomes. The influence of imagination extends far beyond individual achievements. It has shaped the course of human history, driving progress in every field of endeavor. From the earliest cave paintings that captured the essence of life to the towering skyscrapers that pierce the heavens, every human creation has its origins in the fertile soil of imagination. Consider the Wright brothers, who dared to envision a world where humans could take flight. Their tireless experimentation, fueled by unwavering belief in their vision, led to the invention of the airplane, revolutionizing transportation and shrinking the globe. Or think of Marie Curie, whose relentless pursuit of knowledge, guided by an unyielding curiosity, led to groundbreaking discoveries in radioactivity, transforming the fields of medicine and science. These are just a few examples of how imagination has propelled humanity forward. It's the force that empowers us to challenge the status quo, push boundaries, and create a better future for ourselves and generations to come. It's the catalyst that transforms dreams into inventions, ideas into movements, and aspirations into reality. But what about the everyday person? How can we, in our own lives, harness the power of imagination to overcome obstacles, achieve our goals, and create a life that we truly love? The answer lies in understanding that imagination is not just a random act of fantasy, but a deliberate process that can be cultivated and applied to any situation. The first step is to identify and challenge the limiting beliefs that hold us back. These are the negative thoughts and doubts that tell us we're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough to achieve our dreams. They're the inner voices that whisper words of discouragement and fear, keeping us trapped in a cycle of self-doubt and inaction. To overcome these limiting beliefs, we must first become aware of them. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise when you envision a goal or aspiration. Are they filled with excitement and possibility, or are they tinged with skepticism and fear? Once you've identified these negative thoughts, challenge their validity. Ask yourself, is this belief based on fact or fear? Is it serving me or holding me back? Replace these limiting beliefs with empowering affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," tell yourself, "I am capable and resourceful. I can figure this out." Affirmations are like seeds that you plant in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent repetition and positive reinforcement, they can grow into a powerful force that propels you towards your goals. The journey of self-discovery begins with a single step, allowing yourself to dream without limitations. Think back to your childhood, a time when imagination reigned supreme. You built castles out of blankets, sailed the 7 seas on a makeshift pirate ship, and soared through the skies as a fearless superhero. There were no boundaries, no constraints, only the limitless expanse of your own creativity. As we grow older, the weight of responsibility, societal expectations, and past disappointments can often stifle this innate ability to dream big. We start to believe that our dreams are unrealistic, impractical, or simply out of reach. We settle for mediocrity, accepting a life that falls short of our true potential. But it doesn't have to be this way. The power of imagination is not lost. It merely lies dormant, waiting to be reawakened. The first step in this process is to give yourself permission to dream again. Allow yourself to envision a life that excites you, a life that fills you with passion and purpose. Don't worry about the how or the when. Simply focus on the what. What would your ideal life look like? What would you be doing? Who would you be spending your time with? What kind of impact would you be making on the world? Let your imagination run wild, unconstrained by doubts or fears. Write down your dreams, create a vision board, or simply close your eyes and allow yourself to fully experience the emotions associated with achieving these aspirations. Once you have a clear vision of your desired outcome, the next step is to design a roadmap for achieving it. Break down your big dream into smaller, more manageable goals. This will make the journey seem less daunting and more achievable. Imagine yourself taking these steps, one by one, until you reach your ultimate destination. Think of it like planning a road trip. You wouldn't just get in the car and start driving without a map or a destination in mind. You would first decide where you want to go, then plot out the route, identify potential rest stops, and estimate the time it will take to reach your destination. The same principle applies to achieving your dreams. Create a detailed plan that outlines the specific actions you need to take to reach your goals. Set deadlines, track your progress, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of growth and learning, and don't be afraid to adjust your course as needed. Dreaming and designing are essential steps, but they are only the beginning. True magic happens when you take action and bring your imagination to life. This is the stage where your dreams become tangible, where your ideas manifest into reality. It's where the rubber meets the road, and where your commitment to your vision is truly tested. Remember, Imagination without action is like a car without fuel. It might look impressive in the driveway, but it won't get you very far. To reach your destination, you need to put the pedal to the metal and start moving. The same principle applies to achieving your goals. Don't be afraid to take risks, to step outside of your comfort zone, and to try new things. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. And every obstacle you overcome strengthens your resolve and builds your confidence. The process of turning imagination into reality is not always smooth sailing. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. But it's in these moments that your resilience and determination are truly tested. Remember, every successful person has faced obstacles and setbacks along their journey. It's how you respond to these challenges that determines your ultimate success. When faced with adversity, don't give up on your dreams. Instead, use your imagination to find creative solutions to the problems you encounter. Look for opportunities to learn and grow, and use every experience as a stepping stone towards your goals. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your vision and encourage you to keep going. Share your dreams with them, seek their advice and guidance, and celebrate your victories together. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Maintain an unwavering belief in yourself and your abilities. Remember that you have the power to create the life you desire. Trust in your intuition, follow your heart, and never lose sight of your dreams. Now let's explore how imagination can be a powerful tool for problem solving. Think about a time when you faced a challenge, whether at work, in a relationship, or in your personal life. Perhaps you felt stuck, unsure of how to move forward. In those moments, your imagination can become your greatest ally. Instead of focusing on the problem itself, try to envision the ideal solution. What would it look like? How would it feel? What would be the outcome? By shifting your focus from the obstacle to the solution, you open yourself up to new possibilities and creative ideas. Imagine yourself overcoming the challenge with ease and grace. See yourself navigating the situation with confidence and resourcefulness. This mental rehearsal will help you to identify potential solutions and develop a plan of action. Once you have a clear vision of the solution, start to brainstorm different ways to make it a reality. Don't limit yourself to conventional thinking. Allow your imagination to run wild, exploring unconventional and even seemingly impossible ideas. You may be surprised at the innovative solutions that emerge from this process. It's important to remember that imagination is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. To cultivate a vibrant and fertile imagination, you must nurture it with care and attention. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, providing them with water, sunlight, and nutrients, you must nourish your imagination with activities that stimulate creativity and inspire new ideas. One of the most effective ways to do this is to engage in activities that you enjoy, whether it's reading, writing, painting, listening to music, or spending time in nature. Find activities that spark your curiosity and ignite your passion. These experiences will feed your imagination and provide a wellspring of inspiration for your creative endeavors. Meditation can also be a powerful tool for cultivating imagination. By quieting your mind and focusing your attention on the present moment, you create a space for new ideas and insights to emerge. Regular meditation practice can help you to tap into your subconscious mind, where your most creative and innovative ideas often reside. Journaling is another valuable practice for nurturing imagination. By writing down your thoughts, feelings, and dreams, you give them form and substance. You also create a record of your creative journey, which you can refer back to for inspiration and motivation. In addition to these individual practices, there are many ways to cultivate a collective imagination. Engaging in creative collaborations with others can spark new ideas and perspectives. Join a writing group, participate in a brainstorming session, or simply have a conversation with someone who inspires you. The exchange of ideas can lead to breakthroughs that you might not have achieved on your own. Remember, imagination is not just a personal pursuit, but a shared human experience. By connecting with others and sharing our creative visions, we can create a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond ourselves. As we conclude this exploration into the power of imagination, we invite you to accept this extraordinary gift. It's a tool that can transform your life, your relationships, and your world. It's the key to unlocking your full potential and creating a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Remember, everything starts in the imagination. The dreams you dare to dream, the goals you set for yourself, the life you envision, it all begins with a single thought, a spark of inspiration, a moment of creative insight. By nurturing your imagination, you open yourself up to a world of infinite possibilities. You tap into a source of wisdom, creativity, and resilience that can guide you through any challenge and empower you to achieve your wildest dreams. So, let your imagination soar, accept the unknown, explore new horizons, and never stop dreaming. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. The journey of imagination doesn't end with personal growth and problem solving. It extends to the way we connect with the world around us, the way we interact with others, and the way we perceive our place in the grand tapestry of existence. When we approach life with an open mind and a willingness to see beyond the obvious, we discover a world brimming with wonder and possibility. We see connections where others see separation, beauty where others see chaos, and opportunity where others see obstacles. This expansive perspective allows us to build deeper, more meaningful relationships with others. We become more empathetic, more compassionate, and more understanding of diverse viewpoints. We recognize that we are all interconnected, sharing a common humanity that transcends our differences. As we come to the close of our exploration into the extraordinary power of imagination, we invite you to reflect on the profound impact it can have on your life. We've journeyed through the science that underpins this remarkable faculty, explored its influence on our reality, and looked into the practical steps you can take to harness its transformative potential. We've seen how imagination can help you overcome limiting beliefs, set and achieve goals, solve problems creatively, and connect with others on a deeper level. We've also emphasized the importance of nurturing your imagination through activities that spark creativity and inspire new ideas. As you start on your own journey of imagination, remember that it's not about achieving perfection or conforming to any particular standard. It's about accepting your unique perspective, expressing your authentic self, and creating a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. So, let your imagination be your guide. Allow it to lead you down unexpected paths, to challenge your assumptions, and to open your heart to new possibilities. The power to create the life you desire lies within you.